Oh, okay, if you want to go live, then we'll just kill her then. If you okay. Okay, fair enough. Well, where is she at the moment? There it is. I got it. I got it. Stand by. What is that jet going over? Is that going to Spigen Hill? Have a listen to this jet going over, folks. It's like a falcon, doesn't it? Wow, look at this jet, folks. Wow. Where's that going? That's low. Southend, is it? I'm gonna follow it. So she's going into Southend, isn't she? Well, she's literally No, we'll keep following it. We'll keep following it. Yeah. No, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Wow. What is the jet called? It's not an Express, is it? Oh, Bombardier Global 50, is it? 650. Oh, okay. So she's going into. Oh. No. She's come all the way down there. Where's she from? Oh. Okay, she's gone into land. Oh, she over Canvey now. That's quick.